Alright, hello everyone. My name is Kadi, and today is the 24th of June. Um, I mean, if I'm gonna talk about it, so like these past couple of days, I guess, or this past week or two or whatever, full on depression, full on summertime sadness, literally like I literally be so upset about not being where everybody that I see on my fucking iPhone screen is not at, or what I said. Like I be mad that I'm not where everybody that I look up to is at. And it's been getting to me since, last week I went through a whole like losing streak. Like I didn't win once. And that kind of, I ain't gonna lie, like yesterday I was really thinking, and Friday too. At the end of it, I was really thinking about switching up my strategy. I won't lie to myself. Like I really was thinking like maybe this shit is not meant for me. Maybe what's going on is just like a sign that I need to start switching it up. Just like full on just wanting to feel anything that would make me feel good about my current situation for real. Like I just feel so I feel currently still so lost about where I am, especially since it's been 2.5 years and I'm coming to this point of like where it at? Like literally where's that? Where's the watches, where's the jewelry, not kind of like that because I don't really care too much about that stuff, but more so like where's the income coming in from trading, where are the withdrawals since I'm trading on a personal account, where are my 3, 4, 5 day winning streaks, where is that? Like all I'm seeing is myself kind of doing okay, but this month in particular, it's been so shit for me because of my mental state, you know. And like on top of that, I haven't even been trading like how I usually trade. Like I think it was the second to last trade, so that would be Thursday. Like I literally took a setup that didn't align with my rules at all, like as far as trading plan goes. And I still took it and I was there watching that trade for like an hour thinking that it's gonna hit TP and then like going back and forth like oh, and it literally it stopped me out. So that was like a real shit for me. Like it made me feel so fucking like pissed off at myself, pissed off in the whole reality of the game of like where I'm at and the fact that it's nowhere near where Doyle was 2.5 years in. Like nigga was not to say he was a six-figure trader by then, but it was like he was making money from this shit. Like he was doing withdrawals. He was, you know, on his way to quit his job, and it feels like I'm nowhere near that point. And so like literally in my sleep over the weekend, like I was just sad. Like I cried last night just thinking about this shit. Like I cried a lot about the fact that I'm nowhere near where I thought I could be at this point. And it fucking sucks. Like I just don't know. And that's what you think. You be like, what am I doing wrong? Like what am I doing that's not that or what am I doing that they already overcame? What am I doing that, or what are they doing that I'm not doing, bro? Cuz it's like I don't get it, and it's pissing me off because I've always been a winner, or at least I've always wanted to win and be a go-getter, and I always felt like I was pretty smart, for things and just how shit was. And it's like here we go being a part of something like trading where it's like you don't even need to be smart to make money. You just need to know what to do, follow the same set of rules all the time, whoop de whoop, and like kind of just go with that. Um, and it's just been difficult. It really has been. It really has been. It has been difficult to kind of go on and continue with this journey without seeing any real results that would make you feel good about yourself. Like, been doing this for how many months now? Like, and it's like, you know, it's just like, yeah, I don't know. I'm looking at this MNQ setup, maybe a little possible, especially if it passes this line right here. Um, because that's a low probability demand zone right there. So I don't know, but it's just been irritating me to the highest extent because it feels like, I'm meant to be something bigger. I'm meant to do this, and for weeks I've been on this positive mindset shit and just been feeling like, yeah, like I got this, like I'm close, I'm almost there. And like these past 2 weeks, it's been feeling like, nah, nah, absolutely not. Like it feels like I'm starting over again, but I'm still at the same place. Like it just feels different. Like I've had so much negativity running through my fucking core like these past couple of weeks that it's been crazy. I'm like thinking to myself like, damn, like what happened? Like like before I was so positive. I was so, just for it. And now it's just like I feel so depressed. I feel so miserable going through this whole journey, and it's like, damn, like what changed? Like, and it's losing 3 days in a row, bro. Is lo- Mm-mm. All right, the last win was last Friday. So Friday the 13th was my last win. And it's just been, bro, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 losing days in only 3 wins, bro. Like, if I didn't win on that Friday, I would be on a 5-day winning or losing streak. Hold on. I gotta have an idea of what to get from same stuff. I was thinking like a big variety pack of chips, soda, and water. All right, I just got plans. And like shout out to the friends or friend or whatever, because like I literally, it really get into me, the fact that like I'm just not where I thought I was gonna be, or where I know I can be, but it's just like shit is just not hitting, bro. Like, why am I losing so much? Like, why am I not sticking to my rules? And it's because it's like it's a less of an incentive to stick to my rules than to stick to it, because even when I be sticking to it, I be losing. And so it's just like, well, man, if anything can fucking happen, according to Mark Douglas, like it's like, why even have rules? Why even, you know what I mean? Like you start spazzing out because you're like, bro, like I'm nowhere near where I want to be, where I feel like I can be, and like it's like niggas like X, Y, and Z be doing probably half as me and still have bread and other avenues. Like, bro, I was going full fucking like, is this even for me? Should I even keep on doing this? Should I just switch it up and go somewhere else? Like with this shit, like I shouldn't even be doing this for real. I should be trying to do something else, like for real, like just full on going crazy on the low, like what the fuck is going on with me, like I just feel so like I can't do anything right, and it's been getting to me like no other, bro, like no other. So I'm looking at this, would really love to see it break past this zone first, and then possibly retrace back, but I don't look at the 1 hour. there is a demand zone right there. So, like, hold on. Like, I could be trading supply setup up to that demand zone. Oh. 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 Boom, 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 boom. I'm just here to. Man, it's literally just here right now. Right here and right now. I mean, yeah. Okay, we have a potential setup right here. Oh, even if we get no candles closing the zone, if we get a break of the candle, we can still get it. We can still take this. I'd really love to see it break past this and then come back, but if we don't get that and we get a break of the candle, if it taps into the zone, I'm still gonna take it. It's like, man, like, what the fuck? Like, if it's gonna be an M, might as well get that shit over with. Like, that's really like my mindset. Like, it's so hard for me to stay positive in the reality that I'm in because it feels like it's not even possible, dog. Like, it's not even like possible for me to get to the point that I felt like I could get at one point. Like, so I'm just here. I'm still here. I'm still trading, but it's like I need a win, dog. Like, that's really what I need to pick up my own fucking thing. Like, I just need a fucking win because there's nothing else that's gonna make me feel good, right? Going on a 3-day losing streak, like how that's gonna make me, especially with no withdrawals in the past, like how's that gonna make me feel good about getting to the markets again, bro? I done lost so many fucking times, so much fucking money. I'm under the amount that I even put into this account, like, bro, it's like being in drawdown go crazy, like it is mentally draining, even though these are like the trials and the money that I'm risking. It's not it's not to say I couldn't grow the account, but it's not like I'm like actively doing that process like I thought I was. But like with the amount that I'm risking, that would take so fucking long, it's not even worth it. Like, these are more so the battlegrounds of me, just seeing like, hey, can I be consistently profitable for 6 months? Can I do that? And it looks like I can't. Like, that's why I'm so fucking broken, bro. That's why it's so hard for me to look at these charts and feel the same about doing what I'm doing because I feel fucking useless. Like, but that's just how I feel, man. And it's not to say that I'm gonna feel like this forever, but I'm not gonna ignore the feelings that I have just because they're not the best. Just because I should just stay positive and think positive thoughts. How the fuck am I supposed to do that when I have mental illness? Plus, on top of the fact I'm losing in the markets. Like I'm not one of these people who could just be toxically positive all the time, even if it's not the case. Like I can't pretend or switch my mindset when I'm in a position to where switching my mindset feels impossible. Oh my God. And this is another fucking thing that I wanted to talk about, bro. It be the setups that I don't take that be hitting TP. Bro, I didn't take this because I don't really like those kinds of things. And I wanted to see break a structure. But it be these setups, the setups that I see, the setups that I don't mark up, that be fucking winning. Oh my God. Bro, this is like the third time that happened to me, bro. Third, fourth, fifth time. And then the setups that I take, just like on Friday, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Just like on Friday, bruh. I literally, bruh. How does it look? Bruh. Oh my God, bro. My bad, my bad, my bad. That was pretty extra. My bad. I'm chilling. I'm chilling, bro. I'm chill. I was about to use my mouse and I realized I just threw it. Ooh, nice. Wait, what is that? Yes. That's fine. That's fine. I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool. That was just very dramatic. My fault. I just, as you can clearly tell, I've been in a tough place right now. I never done some shit like that. Well, can't say that. Well, yeah, like, yeah, bro. Like that's just how I am right now. Yeah,